Alright, another booster pack of Modern Masters. We've got two of them here. I'm going to open both of these tonight. And which one do we want to open? Oh, let's do the double. Blue handcuffs. Alright, let's do this. Here we go, Modern Masters. We will throw that on the floor. Hammerheim Deadeye. Ooh, echo that for 6. Jesus. It's fucking 3-3. Nantuko Shaman. Thieving Sprite. Sorry, no more shadows on you guys. Veteran Armorer. Logic Knot. Delve. What? You may exile any number of cards from your graveyard as you cast this spell. It costs 1 less to cast for each card exiled. Counter target spell unless its controller plays X. Got something there. Grape Shot. Hillcomber Giant. Street Wraith. Mire Enforcer. Affinity for artifacts. Fury Charm. All these boosters are out of the same booster box. So, good thing we're not getting a lot of doubles. Thirst for Knowledge. There we go. Vivid Grove. Second uncommon. What is the third? Riftwing Cloudskate. Alright. Let's do the rare. Come on. Ooh. Vidalcan Shackles. We'll take it. And the foil. Let's do the foil. Let's do the foil. Come on. Is it rare? Is it rare? It's an uncommon. Alright. Search for Tomorrow. Good enough. Shiny, shiny. Saproling. Alright, Modern Masters. Booster pack opening number 6. Out of the same box. Let's do this. I love doing that. Modern Masters. Ooh, boo. Double from the box. Amru Seekers. Arcbound Wanderer. Empty the Warrens. Thalid Shell Dweller. Look at that. Like what? You go, Carl. What is that? Critchlow? Excellent artwork. Festering Goblin. Love my goblins. When Festering Goblin dies, target creature gets 1/1 until end of turn. Better goblin than that. Otherworldly Journey. Boo. Absorb this. Moth Dust Changeling. Blind Spot Giant. Look at that. For 3, you get a 4/3. But he can't attack or block unless you control another giant. Throw that in a giant deck and your money. Ruined Stalactite. Name this thing. Alright, are we getting to the uncommons yet? There we go. Relic of Progenitus. Tribal Flames. Let's do this. Oh, Domain. Look at all these new things. Tribal Flames deals X damage to target creature or player, where X is the number of basic land types among lands you control. Alright. Sorcery. Mire Retriever. When Mire Retriever dies, return another target artifact card from your graveyard to your hand. Dark Confidant. There we go. Money card, son. Oh. Made it all worth it. Foil. Foil me. Relic of Progenitus. I will relic that. And the garbage card. Goblin Rogue. I'll beat some with that. Thanks for watching.